Welcome to our course on interacting with jQuery AJAX APIs. My name is Lawrence and I'm so excited to have the opportunity to present this course to you today. I come to you with a lot of jQuery experience, really love and enjoy working with jQuery on a regular basis. In upcoming lessons, we're going to be using jQuery to make AJAX calls to an API. And what better API than the YouTube API? YouTube API is full of amazing details, and once you can connect to here, there's a lot of stuff that you can go through, a lot of data that you can pull out, and it's great to become comfortable with pulling in this much information and parsing through it and then updating and outputting it on your web page. And don't worry, we're going to be showing you all of this in the upcoming lessons. You are going to need to have a Google account, and if you don't have one, you can always go over and create one, because this one does require that you provide a token, and the only way to get the token is through signing up for the Google account and then going into the developers area and then accessing and creating a YouTube API. So in the lessons, we're going to be building out a simple application that's going to allow us to search YouTube and then return those results back on to our web page. There's some parameters that we can adjust as well, and you can really customize this to really make it your own. We can see that we can go to next, we can go to the previous screens, and we can also go back. The other option that we're going to be showing you is that you can click and it can have a little kind of pop-up of the YouTube video. And this is all going to be done via jQuery. And then you can click off of it and you go back to the search area. And you can continue with the next and previous. And notice no page refreshes, all done using AJAX behind the scenes, making those queries to the YouTube server and pulling back all of that amazing data and then updating that data into the web page, including updating the YouTube frame value of the source here. So when we're selecting a new video, we can have a new video pop up and show up within our pop-up window. All of the source code is also included, and I do encourage you to try it out for yourself, build out your own version of these applications, and really get familiar with working with jQuery, AJAX, and connecting to APIs. So when you're ready, let's begin coding this application from scratch using jQuery, JavaScript, a little bit of CSS, and HTML. All of the source code, again, is included to get you started quickly building a similar application.